Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to roast my whole chicken in an oven bag. So I have this one whole chicken, I have vegetable oil, I have curry powder, sweet paprika, so grilling and roasting seasoning, so juicy in a bag seasoning, and this is just an extra oven bag that's a little bit bigger than the other one. So I cut this and then separate the bag and the spices on the other side, so I will see which bag I should use. The other one is mostly used for turkey because it's too big. Now I put my chicken on a baking tray and then take 34 grams of soy juice in a bag seasoning and add quarter teaspoon of curry powder, quarter teaspoon of sweet paprika, and 2 tablespoons of grilling and roasting seasoning. I mix this well and add quarter cup of vegetable oil. I mix it well and then I'm going to apply all this mixture onto the chicken. After this, I'm going to bake my chicken. So I applied it well and then put in an oven bag. I've used the bigger one, which is mostly used by turkey. So because the other one was a little bit smaller for me, so I've decided to use this one. So I baked this at 475 degrees Celsius for 1 hour 45 minutes. The chicken is ready. Look at that. Ooh, I put my rosemary and the juicy soup on top. You don't have no idea how soft this chicken came out. Look at that. The bones are just falling apart by themselves. Very soft and looks delicious. I can't wait to taste. Here we go. Thank you so much. So I'm serving this with my fried rice and beans. It's so yummy and delicious. Thank you so much for watching. Please consider subscribing. Bye.